5:18 p.m. watching a few isolated showers developing on first warning live radar. This one is heavy and it's barely moving on North Hagler Road, close to Cripple Creek Road, and on the northeast side of Samantha. It hasn't moved all that much in the last 15 or 20 minutes since it has been on radar. Still moving away from Northside High School, drifting down toward the southeast. A bigger area of scattered thunderstorm action over Mississippi and Arkansas and Louisiana, southwestern Alabama. I do think that there's potential for a little more development around here in the next few hours. Walker, Jefferson, Tuscaloosa, Shelby counties. This looks worse than it probably will be. I think maybe a handful of isolated thunderstorms around here through about 10 p.m. And then we're finished with that. And tomorrow, few, if any, storms around, and that is going to make it a little bit hotter on Friday. Today's high was 92. We'll be right around 91, 92 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Warming up just a little bit here day by day. So tomorrow, we're watching the rain chance at about 40%. That begins to come down over the weekend into next week, and that's where temperatures are going to begin to peak. We're up to 94 by Monday, 94 on Tuesday, 93 on Wednesday of next week, and then a front begins to move into the area, and this one may stall out around here Wednesday night, Thursday, and help to keep rain chances elevated and bring temperatures down slightly. But what you see here is not really all that uncommon for this time of year. High temps, low 90s on Saturday. Feels like temp as high as 100, 102 for a brief period of time in the early afternoon. Same kind of thing's going to happen on Sunday. The high up to about 93 after a morning low in the mid 70s. There's an hour by hour look at Sunday. Look at that rain chance, only about 10%. So one or two spots could get a brief shower over the weekend, but it'll really be after today and tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe into Friday of next week too, when we get a better chance of scattered storms. Well, looking down here in the southern Gulf, this is the Bay of Campeche. That is an area of disturbed weather that is beginning to intensify just a bit, getting a bit more organized. Now, this is going to move inland Friday right along either the Mexican or the southern Texas Gulf Coast. It doesn't have a lot of time to ramp up, but it could become a tropical depression technically before making landfall. There's Tropical Storm Erin, a much more well-defined system than it was this time yesterday. 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Here's the forecast track overlaid atop of the sea surface temperatures, and the brighter the colors get, the warmer the water. And as it gets over this warm water north of Puerto Rico on Sunday, becomes a Category 3 hurricane, and then it's up here hitting a patch of very warm water. Look at the wind there Tuesday, upwards of 120 to 125 miles per hour. There's a good look at our model data and how that's working. This thing likely misses the east coast of the U.S., but it will cause some rip currents and some rough surf up and down the eastern seaboard. No threat from that thing to the Gulf whatsoever. We've got some drier, hotter days ahead of us, highs in the mid-90s at the hottest Monday, Tuesday of next week, and then that weak front gets here by Wednesday and Thursday.